if you could read the mind of your audience?
Oh, thanks for this awesome video.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
So here is something I want you to think about. What would happen if you could read the mind of your audience? I want you to think about this. What if you could read the mind of your boss? What if you could read the mind of your spouse? What if you could read the mind of your clients? What if you could read the mind or minds of your colleagues and subordinates and friends? You'd say, Bishal, my life would change. Yes, your life would change. So here's the thing. Mind reading is not about learning some tricks or some magic, though many people make it out to be it's magic and all that. No, you can actually do that by understanding two things: the problems people are facing and the results people desire to achieve. Once you understand these two things, and that's exactly one thing we cover very much in depth in our program, the Confident Expert Live Experience, where I show you step by step how many of you feel that you have improved your public speaking by coming to the Confident Speaker Conference?
Yes, I am.
Two more questions. How many of you feel that you have improved your communication, confidence and belief about yourself after coming to the Confident Speaker Conference? Last question. How many of you feel that the moment you get out of the door, your life is going to be better than it was until yesterday?
Yes.
Okay, good, man. Thank you so much for being here. Awesome. Give yourself a round of applause. Okay? That's all I have. Let's go. Have a great... How to get inside the mind of your potential clients, or even if you're giving technical presentations to your senior managers, exactly what they want. Think about it. If you know exactly what they want to hear and what they're expecting, not just information, I can tell you, they are not coming to your presentation to gain more information. Now that's a shocker, because many people think I just gotta give them great information. That's not right. If all they needed was information, they could get it on Google. So, great things can be possible when you understand exactly what people want and give them that, a problem that they have. Because the problem I see many people is they have great knowledge, great experience, subject matter experts, but they don't know how to communicate their knowledge in the right way, to their senior managers, potential clients, experienced audiences for which they struggle. They struggle in their job, they are not getting the right promotion, for which they are not able to create a financial security for their family, right? They're not able to create that. They don't have the time freedom to go anywhere they want to go, because they have to get stuck to their job, working extra hours, instead of going home and fucking their wife in an amazingly powerful, wild way, you know? Instead of taking care of the children in the most powerful way, instead of paying off that debt and buying that new car and going for amazing vacations, they don't get to do it. They stay in an average life. If you don't want to live an average life, I want you to consider learning exactly how to connect deeply with your audience, so you can connect with them, powerfully transform them. That's my message for you. Having an amazing time right here. You can see that amazingly powerful, great tea garden here. My name is Bishal Sarkar, always reminding you that public speaking is not about perfection. It's all about connection.
I'm a man on a mission.